Samsung calls it the ultimate smartphone. But is the Galaxy S23 Ultra really worth your money in 2025? Today, I'll uncover the truth behind the hype, from insane zoom shots to battery life, to whether this beast actually beats the iPhone. Let's dive in. First things first, design. The S23 Ultra looks like pure luxury: flat edges, Gorilla Glass Victus to protection, and that iconic S Pen. But the real star is the 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED to X display with 120Hz refresh rate. Watching movies or gaming feels buttery smooth. And trust me, under sunlight, this display is so bright, it puts most phones to shame. Now let's talk about what makes the S23 Ultra truly special: the 200-megapixel camera. Yes, you heard that right, 200 megapixels? The detail is absolutely insane. Night photography. Clear, sharp, and almost DSLR-like. Zoom. This thing has a mind-blowing 100x face zoom, perfect for moonshots or capturing details you can't even see with the naked eye. Video. 8K at 30 FPS, crisp, cinematic, and future-proof. Under the hood, the S23 Ultra packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Galaxy, a customized chipset just for Samsung. Translation: faster speeds, smoother gaming, and zero lag. Whether you're playing Genshin Impact, Call of Duty, or multitasking between apps, this phone won't break a sweat. And what good is all that power without battery? The 5,000 mAh cell easily lasts a full day, even for heavy users. With 45W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 65% in just 30 minutes. Plus, you get wireless and reverse wireless charging, so you can charge your Galaxy Buds or even a friend's phone. Let's not forget the legendary S Pen. It's not just a stylus, it's your creative tool. Take instant notes, sign documents, control your phone with air gestures, and even edit photos with precision. Trust me, once you get used to it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So, what's the price of all this power? The Galaxy S23 Ultra starts at $1,199. Expensive. Yes, but if you want the best of Android, unmatched cameras, huge display, powerhouse performance, this phone is worth every penny. So, is the Galaxy S23 Ultra the best phone in the world right now? Honestly, it's very close. If you're a power user, a camera lover, or just want a phone that does it all, this is the one. Now I want to hear from you. Would you choose the S23 Ultra or go with the iPhone 14 Pro Max? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Single quotes. Forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic tech reviews, and I'll catch you in the next video.